everybody, welcome back. So we're back to working on the instigator. As you can see, got it pretty torn apart, and I've been buffing and wet sanding, and I don't like the way it looks. For some reason it seems to be getting lighter back here. And I don't like the way it looks at all. So I'm going to sand all the finish off the top of the guitar and reapply. And I'm so happy about doing that. I hate finishing guitars. I really wish I liked doing it, but I don't. So let's start sanding this stuff off. Hey, so I got a few good coats on there. Just gotta get some glare. There we go. still, since I sanded it down to raw wood, it's still soaking up the oil. So put a few more coats and then go through all that process over again. Did not like the way it looked. I tried so many times to buff it to where it came up nice. It wasn't coming up good to a nice shine. And then it was everywhere that I had reapplied and buffed it back was lighter than the rest of the guitar, and it's just, screw it. Cut your losses. I cannot wait till this guitar is finally done. And I can get it the hell out of here because I'm tired of looking at it. Alright, we're going to let that cure up a little bit. And we'll be back in a little while. Hey everybody, welcome back. Still working on the instigator here. And it has been so hot and humid out here in the shop that the finish has not cured yet. It's still tacky. So I think at this point, just gonna put a stop to it. And I think I'm gonna install the air conditioner in the window, enjoy a frosty beverage, watch a little YouTube till the little woman gets home, and then maybe back to the honey-do list. Those of you who are married know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we see you guys in the next video. Behave yourself. Peace.